Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video, I'm going to show you the feature that come with this fantastic system and also how to use the system as well. This system comes with a 10.1 inches high definition touchscreen. This system also comes with the newest Android 10, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage memory. It also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This is fully compatible with the original camera. If your car comes with the original camera, this system is also fully compatible. You're also fully compatible with the original USB as well, and steering wheel control. All the steering wheel button will be fully compatible like this. You can also use this one to control all the volume here, and also pick up the phone call, and also everything, you know. So it's really good. Okay, so you won't lose any of the original feature. You can see that the resolution of the screen actually is very high. Okay, let's start from the navigation first. Okay, the navigation is offline. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. Okay, how to use the navigation? You basically just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then new road, and then address, and then you can enter the address right here. This navigation also comes with the offline map feature, and it also comes with traffic info. Okay, so basically you can also update the traffic info here. However, if you want to use the traffic update, then you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone to get some data. Okay, so and also another one is, of course, it also comes with Bluetooth phone call and Bluetooth music as well. You can also listen to music from the cell phone by Bluetooth. And another thing is the radio.
Experience. You'll enjoy breathtaking lights and decor, a boutique holiday market, seasonal eats.
Yeah, also come with the radio for sure. It comes with support the AM and FM.
If you do need a new one, get our featured furnace.
Okay, so perfect. And once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can also use most of the application of the system as well. Okay, how to connect to the Wi-Fi? Just pull down a little bit from the top of the menu. Just hold it. And then you can also use the connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can access most of the feature of the system. Okay, for example, you can also use the Google Chrome. Google Chrome is right here, and this one just like the internet browser. Okay, you can see that you can use all the feature right here. It's very nice. It's very high definition as well. Okay, so it's very nice. Okay, so other than that, you can also download the Netflix. We'll preload the Netflix for you. Okay, so Netflix is right here. If you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the movie on the vehicle. Not for the driver. Mostly for this feature is for the passenger. Okay. All right, and then you can also use the Google Map. This is the newest version of the Google Map. It provides you the feature of the offline map. What that means, it means you can download the map to the unit. So next time when you want to use the Google Map, you can use the Google Map as just like the offline map as well. Okay, just click on the icon here, and then offline map, and then you can download the map data over there. Okay, it's very straightforward, right? And you can also download the movie to the system. Okay, so basically how to do that, just click on the movie player right here. You can also click on here.
Rogue former MI6 agent.
The system also comes with a screen protector here, so you do not need to purchase a separate screen protector. Okay, so it's very user-friendly. All right, and you can download any of the application to the system as well. As long as you're connected to the Wi-Fi, then you can go to the Google App Store and then you can download any application. You know, this one also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay, and I'm gonna show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay. But before we go ahead, I'm gonna show you the YouTube first. Okay, this is the YouTube here. It's very nice. Okay, you can also use most of the feature right here. Okay, in order to use the Apple CarPlay, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. Okay, how to do that? You basically just need to take out your cell phone, okay, and then connect to the Bluetooth of the unit, okay, and then search the Bluetooth on the cell phone. Hyundai 0000. Enter the password here. Once you connect to the cell phone, then you can go here, click on the home button, click on the CarPlay, and then you need to grant the authorization on the cell phone as well. Okay, this system also is fully compatible with the newest version of the iOS 15. If you're using the iOS 15, you just need to go to Setting, Wi-Fi, and then grant the authorization, use CarPlay. Okay, so this is the Apple CarPlay. You can see that's very nice. Okay, you can also change the background as well. Okay, so how to use the Apple CarPlay? This Apple CarPlay also comes the split screen feature. So when you click on this one, you can use the split screen here. All right, so you can listen to the music, read the message on the software like WhatsApp, you know, all those kind of application, right? So you can also listen to the music right here. Let's see. All right, and you can also use the Google Map for sure, right? And you can also support the Siri. How to use the Siri? Just hold the bottom left corner here. Bring me to the gas station.
Okay, here's what I found.
Perfect. And what's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 0 degrees, and the low will be -3.
Okay, so actually, in order to go back to the original menu, you just need to click on car, then you will bring you to the original menu right here. You will also show the speed here, okay? Now I'm gonna go for a little bit on the setting, okay? Click on the setting right here, and then you will come with a bunch of the option right here, all right? So here's the car setting here, base setting, okay? So do not turn on the brake feature. If you turn on the brake feature, you will also turn on the video in motion, okay? So basically your passenger won't be able to watch the video while the car is moving, all right? So you can also select the shutdown time, okay, to 5 minutes or maybe auto sleep, okay? There's a couple options right here. If you want to use the Google Map as the default navigation software, you can also choose it from here, Navi app select. Okay, you can just click on this one and then you can pull you can select any of the navigation right here, okay? I go or maybe Google Map or, you know, anything, all right? So you can also change the brightness, okay, the panel color, you know, anything. You can also it's fully customized, okay? You can also change the color of the film, okay? How to change the color of the film? You can also change from interface right here. And then there's a lot of things right here, right? So you can also change from here. It's very a lot of stuff, okay? So you can change it, all right? So and also backup camera is right here. It's very nice, okay? So this one also come with the you can also adjust the brightness of the backup camera, okay? Okay, you can also adjust the brightness, okay? It's very nice, all right? So it's fully compatible with all the original features. You can see that it's direct fit, okay? There's no gap here, okay? It's perfect fit. It's specially designed for this vehicle, right? This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.